Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S95 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts in this device. So first you should open the notification bar like this, and here on the right upper corner tap to the edit icon. And now, as can you see, you got here all the notification bar icons. And if you wanna, for example, change the position of the icon, for example, you wanna change flashlight and Bluetooth here. If you want, for example, you can here change the position of the nightlight. Just press for a second and drag it here. So also you can add, for example, one more icon here to your notification bar. Just here hold and drag to add one more icon to your notification bar. If you want to remove the icon from your notification bar, just make the same action and drag here to remove that. So, and now if you will go back, you can see here your all available icons on your notification bar. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.